Small wood furniture and mini woodworking projects are an excellent way to engage in a creative activity that not only enhances your living space, but also provides a satisfying sense of accomplishment. These projects are perfect for a weekend endeavor, allowing you to explore your craftsmanship while creating functional and aesthetic pieces for your home. The beauty of woodworking lies in its simplicity and the ability to tailor each project to your personal style and needs. One of the key advantages of small woodworking projects is their accessibility. They often require minimal materials and tools, making them ideal for both novice and experienced woodworkers. Basic tools such as a saw, drill, sander, and screws are typically sufficient to complete a variety of projects. This accessibility encourages individuals to dive into woodworking, fostering a sense of creativity and exploration. As you embark on these projects, you'll discover the joy of transforming raw materials into beautiful, functional items. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and mini woodworking projects you can make in a weekend. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. When starting a small woodworking project, it's essential to consider the specific needs of your space. For instance, if you have a small apartment or limited living area, creating functional furniture that maximizes space can be incredibly beneficial. One popular mini project is crafting a small side table or accent table. These tables can serve multiple purposes, from holding drinks and snacks to displaying decorative items. With just a few pieces of wood, you can create a stylish side table that complements your interior decor. To begin, select a wood type that suits your aesthetic preferences. Soft woods like pine are easy to work with and cost-effective, while hardwoods like oak or maple provide a more durable and elegant finish. Once you've chosen your wood, sketch out a simple design, focusing on dimensions that fit your available space. After cutting the pieces to size, you can assemble them using basic joinery techniques, such as pocket holes or dowels. Sanding the edges will ensure a smooth finish, making the table both visually appealing and safe to use. Another rewarding small project is building a wall-mounted shelf. Shelves provide an excellent way to display books, plants, or other decorative items while freeing up floor space. The process begins with selecting the wood and determining the desired size and design. A simple floating shelf can be created with a single board, while more elaborate designs might incorporate brackets or multiple layers. Measuring and cutting the wood accurately will help in achieving a clean and professional look. Once the pieces are cut, the assembly process can begin. If you're opting for a floating shelf, you'll need to create a mounting system that securely attaches to the wall. This can be accomplished using brackets or hidden support systems, ensuring the shelf can hold weight without sagging. After assembly, a finish such as stain, paint, or varnish can be applied to enhance the wood's natural beauty or match your existing decor. For those interested in functional decor, creating a small wooden planter can be a fantastic weekend project. Planters add a touch of greenery to your home and can be customized to fit any space. Start by selecting the type of wood and determining the size of your planter based on the plants you want to house. A simple rectangular or square design can be both attractive and practical. Cut the wood pieces to size, ensuring the planter has drainage holes to keep plants healthy. Assembly can be done using screws or with glue, and sanding will help create a polished finish. Once assembled, you can stain or paint the planter to match your aesthetic. Adding a liner can help retain soil moisture while protecting the wood from water damage. Creating a wooden coat rack is another small project that offers both utility and charm. A coat rack can be a stylish addition to your entryway, providing a designated space for jackets and bags. Begin by deciding on the design, whether you want a simple rack with hooks or a more elaborate piece with shelves and compartments. Choose sturdy wood for durability, as the coat rack will need to support weight. After cutting the pieces to the desired size, assemble them using screws or brackets. Adding decorative hooks can enhance the visual appeal of the piece, and a finish can be applied to protect the wood. This project not only beautifies your home, but also helps keep your entryway organized and tidy. If you're looking for a fun and creative project, consider making a small wooden toy or puzzle. This is an excellent way to combine craftsmanship with playfulness, especially if you have children. Wooden toys are durable and timeless, providing a wonderful alternative to plastic. You can create simple shapes or more intricate designs like puzzles or building blocks. Start by sketching your toy design, focusing on safe shapes and sizes for young children. Select a softwood, as it's easier to work with and less likely to splinter. Cut the pieces carefully and use sandpaper to smooth any rough edges. Painting or staining the finished product can add a personal touch, and using non-toxic finishes ensures safety for kids. These toys not only provide hours of entertainment, but also showcase your woodworking skills. Another engaging project is crafting a small jewelry box. A jewelry box can be a beautiful addition to your dresser while providing a practical solution for keeping accessories organized. Begin by selecting your wood and deciding on the dimensions based on the items you wish to store. A simple box design can incorporate a lid that lifts or slides open, adding an element of sophistication. After cutting the wood pieces to size, the assembly process can begin. You might choose to include dividers for organization, which can be crafted from thin strips of wood. Sanding the edges will ensure a smooth finish, and applying a stain or varnish will enhance the box's appearance. This project allows for creativity in design, enabling you to personalize the box with carvings or embellishments that reflect your style. For those interested in home organization, creating a small wooden caddy can be a practical yet stylish project. A caddy can be used to store gardening tools, craft supplies, or even kitchen utensils, helping to keep your space tidy. Start by selecting the wood and determining the caddy's dimensions based on its intended use. Cut the wood pieces and assemble them using screws or with glue. A handle can be added for ease of transport, enhancing the caddy's functionality. Once assembled, a finish can be applied to protect the wood while adding aesthetic appeal. This versatile project can be customized to fit any space, making it a practical addition to your home. As you explore small woodworking projects, it's essential to embrace the learning process. Each project presents an opportunity to develop your skills and refine your techniques. Whether you're learning to use a new tool or mastering a joinery method, the experience gained from these projects will enhance your overall woodworking abilities. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and mini woodworking projects you can make in a weekend. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.